Welcome home! Healthy, organic, and easy by Michelle. Actually, I never had a pet before and was a little bit scared of the dogs. But about 2 years ago, I decided I want a dog. I found a company in Korea that sold healthy and cute looking small dogs. The company sent me so many different videos of dogs to choose from because I was really being picky. But when I saw this one video, I knew I finally found my love. Oh my god, look at him. How so cute he is. Oh my god. Here's my Dubu. But they couldn't send him right away because he was too tiny. So they sent me video every other day so I could see how he was doing. Look at him, he's stretching. I sent some toys for him, but look how big it is. And 1 month later, it was time for him to make the journey to his mommy. We drove 6 hours to the Washington, D.C. airport to pick him up. I bought a pink bag for him. I was so shocked how small he was. Dubu, 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 dubu. I kept calling his name the whole way home, and after the 6 hour ride, he knew he was Dubu. Dubu, 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 dubu. Dubu, 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 dubu. We bought a nice and cute house for him and a big gate. But look at this. We had to block the bottom of the gate because he was so tiny he couldn't go through it. Look at his face. Soon after he arrived, it was time for his first haircut at home. After his haircut, he was so clean and tiny. Look at him, so cute. I think he knew how cute he was. All parents say their kids look cute and lovely when they are sleeping. I couldn't help but feel the same way about him. He would sleep everywhere, on my lap, on the bed, on the couch, anywhere he wanted. And sometimes he would hang out in unusual places. He's so energetic and loves sleepers, even if they're as big and heavy as him. And of course, he loves playing with mommy. And after playing, he's so tired. Time for a nap. Let me tell you about one of his favorite things. He loves going for a drive in the car. But when he's not interested anymore, time to sleep again. Now let me tell you about some things he hates. Washing his face and wearing clothes. Before we end, let me show you some of his funny sleeping positions. I can't believe he can sleep like that. In Dubu's next video, I will show you how I take care of him. He never has bad smell and he's so clean all the time. Dubu is waiting to see you guys. Till next time.